p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of us 190 near the Crockett-Sutton County line, or 15 miles northeast Arizona, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured.
This is actually like
Hail
so
damage to
boring.
roofs, siding, windows,
It
and
looks
vehicles.
so much worse than it
Expect
actually
damage
is.
to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near El Dorado around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm included S-190 near the Crockett-Sutton County line, the intersection of Ranch Road 1828 and Ranch Road 915, and the intersection of S-190 and Ranch Road 1828. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for West Central Texas.